Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's make this drawing of Santa Claus today. Let's see the process. Mark the dot after giving a gap of 2 cm for grid and draw vertical and horizontal line for making grid. Then draw while the watching video. Start from eye. How was this video? Please let me know in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe button, and please like my video and hit the bell icon for more notifications. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.